Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have an unboxing for you today. This is a true unboxing. I just bought a bag from Coach and it has arrived in the mail, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up with you and check it out. So this is a bag that I have not seen in person, and so I'm interested to see what I got. And I know I said that I had some bad habits when it comes to shopping, and I thought I had learned my lesson and decided not to buy any bags that I hadn't tried on in person. But this one was on sale. It's been on my radar for a little while. In fact, most of the summer, and for some reason I never actually picked it up. And then when it went on sale, I was like, oh, the heck with it, I'm just gonna go ahead and buy it. So it is a seasonal bag. I know we're coming to the end of summer now, but I couldn't help myself. And you know, it's still gonna be in the 80s and sunny for the next couple of weeks, probably well into September. And so I think I could probably get a lot of use out of this. Okay, so this is what it looks like from the bag. Not exactly the, you know, the jazziest packaging in the world, but this is not something that's gonna stop me, basically. I don't know, I don't think Coach is really known for super bougie packaging. They definitely package it so that it is secure, and that is about it. So it comes in this plastic bag, and then it is wrapped in a bunch of foam sheets, like so. Something said Coach, oh, the bag said Coach on it. All right, so let's unwrap all of the sheets of plastic. Oh, this is cute. All right, I'm already excited. Give you a little sneak peek right there. So saying that it is a seasonal bag, you guys probably guess that it's definitely either a lighter colored bag, or in this case it is a straw bag. I don't have a good straw bag, and they are everywhere this year, and I really wanted one. I just didn't know which one I wanted, so I ended up getting this one. So let me take all of the wrapping off of it before I actually unveil it. There's tons of wrapping here. So the straps have some foam all around them. I'll at least try to get that straps uncovered so that you can get a pretty good view or picture of what the bag looks like. All right, so far I'm pretty excited about the color of it, and you will get to see it in just a moment as soon as I struggle with all of the wrapping. There we go. And oh gosh, even the buckle has a big wrap on it. So let me get rid of that. And I'm kind of into Coach lately. I have been looking at Tory Burch, I had been looking at Chloe, I had been looking at Prada, and I ended up with Coach, like I said, because it went on sale. Okay, here it is. Ta-da! This is a raffia tote by Coach, and I am really loving this. Oh my goodness, I had no idea that it was going to have such a pattern to it. Wow, this is really cool. So it feels, you know, it feels like straw, but at the same time it almost feels like a fabric. Like there's a difference between, say, wicker and then like those woven baskets that you can buy in the market when you go to the Bahamas. But this is a little bit different. So let me see if I get the camera to focus on it. You can see it's sort of like a bobble weave or a bobble knit in here. Anybody who knits will probably know that those kinds of stitches require a little bit of extra flair. So this is the front. It has the C for Coach. It's got a magnetic closure. Oh yeah, I can hear that. It's good and strong. And inside, let's see what's inside. So it came wrapped like this, and we'll take off all of the wrapping. Goodness, a lot of trees died for this poor thing. I don't know, is there a better way to wrap this stuff? Oh look, oh look, there's a pouch too. I think I knew that. I think I knew that it came with a pouch. So anyway, it comes with this cute little pouch. How about that? And let me cut all of the wrapping. So there's this like styrofoam wrapping everywhere. And even the zipper pull has the wrapping on it too. So that's good. So your hardware won't get scratched. There's even a little bit of styrofoam beneath the tag here, the pouch tag. Now this feels like a really nice linen fabric. This is definitely fabric, whereas the bag itself is straw or raffia, I guess. I don't know the difference between raffia and straw. I'm sure there is a difference. Something in here. What have we got? Definitely wrapped up, more so. Nothing? Okay, I don't know what that was about. More paper. All of these silica gel packets, so loads of wrapping in this bag. And I wonder where all of my information is. Okay, one final piece of wrapping. And then the bottom of the bag, and this is cool, it has a leather patch down there and it says Coach on it. So that is really nice. And there's feet on the bottom of the bag. How about that? So I didn't realize that it was going to have feet. So that to me makes it that much more durable and sturdy. And then the interior with that leather strip down there that says Coach, by the way, all the leather is in black. It's very definitely black, except for the patch on the pouch. But everything else is black. So I really like that. I think that will keep the structure very nice. I like the hardware. It seems to be gold brushed hardware. I like the fact that you get a little pouch with it, and I think the pouch is removable. Yes, it is. So give me a second on that. You know, I forgot about true unboxings, that when you have all this wrapping, it can be very tedious and time consuming. Okay, this is actually, even though it does unhook, it's actually secured by a little plastic thing, I guess, so when it was in the store, it wouldn't get detached. So I'm just going to go ahead and detach that. So you can see that the pouch itself actually comes off, and you can use it separately. I guess you can loop it back on itself and put it in through there and have like a little wristlet if you want to. So what if you were at the beach and you know you wanted to go and grab a cooler or a soda or something from a concession stand? You can grab this from your beach bag and use it that way. So I think that is really cute. I really like the way that they designed this, and this is all leather. The leather's very soft. From what I can see, the stitching looks really nice and even. I always like to check those kinds of things out because really, in my opinion, nothing cheapens a bag more than having like bad stitching or you know, poor quality hardware and so forth. All right, so that is the bag minus any sorts of stuffing, and it seems to be really nice and soft and squishy. I hope it's going to be a durable bag, but I do really love it. It's also got the chaps here that are sewn down into the raffia, and they are a good 3 inches from the top of the bag, which I think is going to be really nice. Sometimes when they're attached to the bag a little bit higher up and kind of shorter, they pull on the bag and they misshape it. And you guys who are familiar with that will know that that's not really a good look, but these are nice. This looks like a really good, secure, quality bag. Now it is obviously raffia, so it does have lots of ventilation, but I do love the fact that the bottom has that leather lining, and then it has the feet on the bottom as well. So how pretty is that? And then the stitching around the bottom is a little bit different. It looks more like just your typical crochet kind of stitch. So I don't know what sorts of needles or devices they use to stitch this up, but it's really, really well done. You also get your little Coach tag, of course, in the black. Sometimes These are just that little extra touch that is needed for, you know, just to make it look a little bit jazzier, but I'm really liking this. Now, one of my concerns is going to be, is this hardware going to be a little bit heavy? Because it is very heavy compared to the rest of the bag, because it's really, really very solid, I can see. But it does have a good strong magnet, as I determined a couple minutes ago. So overall, I have to say I'm really, really pleased with this. Oh, that's good. So yeah, nothing better than checking out a bag and realizing that it is exactly what you were hoping for and looking for. So I did shop this quite a bit online. Several stores had it. I almost bought it from Dillard's, but it was reduced, but it wasn't reduced to the degree that it was when I got this. I think I only paid like $150 for it, which is probably like 60% off or something. It was a really, really fabulous buy, and I just could not pass it up because I thought I've been looking for a straw bag and this is my opportunity. So I'm really happy with this, and I will keep you posted and let you know how it works out for me. And based on the color scheme of this, with the sort of golden straw and the black, I feel like this will definitely work right into the fall because of these deeper colors like this. You know, it's not like a bright blue or pink or something that screams beach. Yeah, definitely a cute, cute little bag. So very happy with this, very pleased with my unboxing, and I will let you know how it works out for me in the future, and probably in a couple of weeks I will do a what fits in my bag just to give it a little bit of a review. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.